guys, and for today I am going to discuss about differentiation of implicit functions. So consider the simple equation xy is equal to 1. Here it is clearly possible to obtain y as the subject of this equation and hence obtain dy over dx. Express y explicitly in terms of x and find dy over dx for the case xy is equal to 1. We have immediately y is equal to 1 over x. So, dy over dx is equal to negative 1 over x squared. We now show an alternative way of obtaining dy over dx which does not involve writing y over y explicitly in terms of x at the outset. We simply treat y as an unspecified function of x. Hence, if xy is equal to 1, we obtain d over dx times x of xy equals d over dx times 1. The right hand side differentiates to 0 as 1 is a constant. On the left hand, since we must use the product rule of differentiation, d over dx times xy equals x over dy over dx plus y times dx over dx equals x times dy over dx plus y. Hence, xy is equal to 1 becomes after differentiation. So in this case, we can of course substitute y is equal to 1 over x to obtain y is equal to negative 1 over x squared. The method used here is called implicit differentiation, and apart from the final step, it can be applied even if y cannot express explicitly in terms of x. Indeed, in occasions, it is easier to differentiate implicitly, even if an explicit expression is possible. So that's all